Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gell and this is your June Flavors of the Month kit. The Flavors of the Month is our kit that includes 4 brand new collections with cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. Comes out each and every month. We have 3 add-ons to go along with it: the patterned paper, the cardstock, and the embellishment add-on, as well as our Shots of Life kit coordinates with the Flavors of the Month as well. This is a great way to start your month getting new collections in to create with. Included with your kit is a sample of gourmet coffee, so you can brew that up and sip on it while you're creating each and every month. You'll also receive 4 recipe cards. These are designed by our design team. They're for double-page layouts, one for each one of the 4 collections. They'll give you cutting and assembly instructions as well as a full color photograph of the finished layout. So you can follow right along with our design team and create your layouts each and every month. Or of course, you can create anything your heart's desires. We also encourage you to come on over to the Facebook group and the blog and join in on the challenges. There's sketch challenges, the Freaky Fast Friday challenge. There's all kinds of ways that you can win prizes each and every month and be inspired. So be sure to check that out. This month, as you can see, it's all about summer. We have a birthday collection. It's all just so awesome. I know you're going to love this month's kit. So let's dig in and see each collection up close. First, we're going to look at Cartabella Summer Market. So you'll start with 2 sheets of aqua cardstock, and then your patterned paper is this one that has all of this beautiful kind of watercolor florals. The back is a yellow and white check design. This is called Summer Day Floral, and this is that textured heavy cardstock that Cartabella is known for. This paper with all of the bicycles and the basket of summer flowers. The back is a kind of a watercolored background again in the pink with red, and there's little florals throughout. This one is called Bikes. We have this with the jars of flowers here, so pretty. And the back is a green and white thin stripe. So just love those colors. Are those not beautiful? For your embellishments, you're going to get one of the sticker sheets. So these will vary, but this is the one that I got. As well as a 1/5 a pack of the ephemera. So this will vary in each one of the kits, but these are the little ephemera pieces, the die cuts that I received. And you'll also receive a small sampling of enamel dots. So the colors will vary on these as well, but I got some pink enamel dots. So that is Cartabella's Summer Market. Our next collection from Fancypants is Cake Smash. So this is perfect for all of your birthday scrapbooking. You're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock. This paper called Balloon Time, which has all of the balloons, and I love the little touch of the ones that are heart-shaped. The back is the script word happy on yellow. This one called Birthday Wishes has all of the big words. I love the little font that they've used for this. The back is a solid green. This one called Confetti has a blue geometric design on it, and the back is confetti dots in all of the colors from this collection. So it's red, blue, yellow, and green. And a little touch of pink. So that is your patterned paper. For the embellishments, you're going to receive 1/2 a pack of the die cuts. So they will vary among the kits, but this is what was in mine. So some really large pieces to make titles. There was a frame and some cakes. A really awesome birthday collection if you have birthday photos to scrapbook. So that is Cake Smash from Fancypants. Our next collection is Wild Honey from Photoplay Paper, and I am in love with the colors in this collection. I love the blue-green with the little coral and the red touches of the gold. It's just gorgeous. So this is perfect for any kind of scrapbooking. You can do so many things with this collection. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of black cardstock. This paper called Nectar, which has these beautiful florals with the little honeybees in between. The back is a white geometric shape on black. That one's called Nectar. This one is Busy Bee and has the bumblebees on a white background and a black dot. There's a honeycomb on the back. This one, called Be Happy, is this plaid with all the different colors you're going to see in this collection. And the back is the Fleur de Lure in the black and the gray on white. So one more look at your pattern paper. And I just had 2 kids graduate, and I'm thinking, looking at this, it would be great for graduation pictures even. I have some pictures of them in the yard. This is the embellishments. You're going to get the full 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have this floral border here, some banners with words, there's a frame, lots of beautiful icons and the florals and the bumblebees. So that is Wild Honey from Photoplay Paper. Our final collection is from Simple Stories, called Summer Farmhouse, and it has a summer farmhouse vibe to it. Beautiful colors, florals, everything that just screams summer. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of natural cardstock. Your patterned paper is this one called Simple Pleasures, which is the pinwheel, so it kind of looks like a quilt design. The back is a polka dot on that aqua. This one, called Backyard Barbecue, is the beautiful florals and the aqua, the red, the yellow, and pink on that dark navy blue. And the back is this red and creamed gingham check. This one, called Sunny Day, is another floral print in a smaller scale on a cream background. And then we have a honeycomb background. So perfect for your summer picnics there for sure. So there's your pattern paper. For your embellishments, you're going to receive some puffy word phrases. You're going to receive a 1/4 a pack of the bits and pieces. So this is what I got. Yours will vary. You're going to get some enamel dots. Again, the colors will vary, but I received pink in mine. So plenty of embellishments there to have a lot of fun with the Simple Stories Summer Farmhouse collection. So one more look at your flavors of the month. Remember to check out the 3 add-ons available to coordinate with this so that it can go even further, and all the other kits available in the store. There's also individual items that you can check out and add to your cart, and they can ship along with your kits. If you're not already subscribed to the YouTube channel, we'd love for you to click that subscribe button and the notification bell, and you'll be notified when new videos are released. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.